that walking bridge, and they are going fast. They've got some good speed and momentum going on here. As you see them battling through the water. The Northampton Super Strokers lead just a margin. Ballistic Fitness battling hard on the outside.
Oh yeah!
That first buoy, and now on their way to the midway point. These two folks flying both even. Northampton Super Strokers looking to knock off that 127 mark. Also, Ballistic Fitness not letting up at all. They are paddling hard. The Northampton Super Strokers.
Won by a head because they didn't have them.
They did well. That was a good run, eh, Josh?
32.
Yeah. You beat your first and second run.
Somebody help us, and everybody's good. Right there.